Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to lock chat on WhatsApp for extra privacy and security. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe, share, like the video, and click on the notification bell. Now, let's dive into how to lock chat on WhatsApp. Firstly, you click on your WhatsApp icon on your phone. After you click on it, it brings you here. After then, you click on the app you want to lock chat. As for me now, I want to click on this. I want to lock this chat. After you click on it, come here, you click on this. After you click on this, it brings you here. After it brings you here, you scroll down and you see chat lock here. Then you click on this to put on the chat lock. After you put it on, it brings you to here and you click on continue. After you continue, confirm face or fingerprint to lock. After then, you put your fingerprint or your face lock. After then, it pings you like this that this chat is locked for added privacy. Chat will also be locked on certain link price. Then you click on, as you see it now, on top of your WhatsApp chat like this, it brings lock chat. Then you click on it and you put your fingerprint or your password. After you put it on, you can see that the chat is locked, and that is it. You now know how to lock chat on WhatsApp for extra privacy and security. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.